Hi friends, and welcome to day 2 of Mama Elephant's May 2025 release. Today we are introducing Plant Picks and its coordinating creative cuts. We are also introducing Instagrid creative cuts. Now let's take a look at the images included in this stamp set. There are 19 different options for plant picks, and we have 5 images among them. I'm showing you how I color the little hummingbird, and as always, the Copic color numbers are in the description below. And as a final touch, I add some white gel pen accents to my image. And that finishes my coloring for today. Let's move on to the Instagrid creative cuts. This background die cuts a border as well as a grid of 9 squares. This way you can stamp a different image in each of the squares, forming your Instagrid together. For my card today, I'm not using this as an Instagrid, but I'm using it to create some fields to put my plant picks in. First, I'm adding some distress ink in the colors Vintage Photo and Tea Dye to the little squares I cut from Kraft cardstock, so I can use them as a plot of land around my farm. To assemble my Instagrid, I'm using a piece of scrap paper. I have also cut the Instagrid from a piece of pattern paper, so it would give me a nice border. Once I'm happy with the size, I'm adding tape runner, so all my pieces will automatically stick to it. For the border, I'm adding some extra liquid glue. Next, I'm adding my panel to a standard-sized square white card base. And now we can decorate our scene. I used the little agenda farm to cut the little farm as well as 2 of the hay bales, and I'm placing it as the centerpiece of my card. Next, I stamp the pig with the daisy from Little Pig Agenda and add him to my farm. I've pre-assembled my plant picks and combined them with the little piece of grass from Little Agenda Farm. For this I used some basic scissors and liquid glue. And that finishes my card for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and leave a comment below for a chance to win a prize from Mama Elephant. This release will be available from the 15th of May, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 3 of introductions. Bye!